is all you need for a lovely healthy soup. Some leeks, a couple of sticks of celery, a litre of chicken stock, some peas, onion, garlic and brown rice. Do use brown rice because it's healthier for you with the husk on and everything. First thing we've got to do is chop and thoroughly wash those leeks. Into a pan, heat some olive oil or oil of your choice up, and then it's in with your leeks that you've chopped and thoroughly washed, along with a couple of sticks of celery that you've done the same to, given a good wash, and the onion. Then into there with some salt and black pepper, which should draw out some of the moisture. And then it's on with the lid and leave those to steam and fry for around 5 minutes till they've softened down a bit. When your veg have had 5 minutes softening down, it's time to go in with your garlic, as much or as little as you'd like. I like a lot because it's super healthy for you. And then in with some peas for added flavour and greenness. Then in with your chicken or veggie stock, whichever one you've picked. And then lastly your brown rice. About 4 tablespoons full. Get those stirred in. Then you're going to have them on a low flame, simmering away for at least half hour. 1, because your brown rice takes at least half an hour to cook, and 2, to really soften down those veg, ready for the blender. When your soup's had 30 minutes or more simmering away, take it off the heat and allow it to cool down a little bit, because the next part is you're going to put it into a blender and get it all blended up and liquefied. Once you've got it blended up, pour it back into your dish and you've got yourself a nutritious, tasty leek soup ready to serve.